What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bitcoin is over 6,000 and in the green today, but we are at a position where over the last couple months we have turned around and saw multi-week downside, and that is this trend line up here at the top. Now this trend line goes from old all-time high to old all-time high, and you can see we are there right now. So the first time this happened back in June when we reached the 3,000 level. You can see that is this area right here. And we were extremely overbought on the RSI. And over the next couple weeks, it was a wave, a stair-step down pattern until we reached the 1800 level, which also corresponded to the oversold on the RSI, and then we turned up from there. And the second time, which was back in September 1st, September 2nd area, when we reached the almost 5,000 level, we were overbought on the RSI, and from there it was multi-week downside till we hit oversold on the RSI, which corresponds with these two lows and this downside trend line here. But as of right now, we are at this upside trend line, and just going over the last two times we went to all-time highs, this trend line is a level that we saw a turnaround and saw multi-week downside action on Bitcoin price. Now my last video was this long downside day here. Let me go ahead and zoom in. This long downside day here, which I talked about, looked a lot like this, and that I thought it was gonna fill out this wedge pattern and then break to the upside to this trend line. Now this is what happened, but it happened a lot quicker than I thought it was going to happen. I thought we were going to see, thought it was going to take two more bars for us to reach up here, but this is looking a lot like this pattern where we made a new all-time high just like we did right here, then sort of fell away and had this huge downside wick day, fell down, huge downside wick day, and then from there we bounced up to this trend line. So it's mimicking this pattern perfectly right now. Now this today has broken above this trend line more than this day has, but we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see how today plays out, how tomorrow plays out. We aren't near the upper Bollinger Band, which is right here, like we were during this all-time high that we turned around at, and pretty close on this one right here too. So we could see a push up to this Bollinger Band, but this area at this trend line is concerning to me just because previous patterns, the last two all-time highs we set before a down move, are at that trend line, and once we hit that trend line, both times pulled back. This one took a while longer, but this one was pretty quick, 2 weeks down to this trend line. So that is what I am looking out for on this Bitcoin chart. We could be at the top before a nice turnaround here that takes us down to this trend line down here, which would put us 3,800, 3,900, 4,000 maybe before it gets there. So we could be seeing $2,000 of downside action coming our way if this trend line holds true like it has the last two times we hit all-time highs before a turnaround. Now we are overbought on the RSI, so that is setting up just the same way both of these did. You can see they both lows made their turnaround as soon as the RSI hit oversold. So that would be an entry point down here at this trend line and when the RSI hits oversold, but we're still in the green right now. So that is nothing to worry about right now. But if we start seeing some resistance and some sellers step in here, that is what I think we are looking at on the Bitcoin chart. I wanted to go ahead and just take a quick look at BitConnect coin because it is going crazy. It is at $218, and it has just been all up for this coin. Every day it seems to gain a couple dollars. I mean, just a month or two ago it was under $100. So huge gains in this, and we're up to it being worth, held pretty steady here around 0.0355 Bitcoin. So it gains on Bitcoin almost every single week, it seems. BTC token does track Bitcoin price, so when Bitcoin falls, it usually falls, and when Bitcoin rises, it rises greater than Bitcoin because it keeps gaining on Bitcoin. So I'm going to just go ahead and do a quick minimum reinvest here of $10. Let's go ahead and put $10 in there. Total 10, reinvest, confirm. And there we go, successfully reinvested. If you haven't started lending yet with BitConnect, it's an amazing platform, offering great returns. This is what you get every single day. Tomorrow we're getting 1.38%, today is 0.87%. We had some low days here, but still nothing else has returns like this in the cryptocurrency space. It's just been awesome. Even if you just buy BitConnect coins and hold it, the price is going up. It's worth more and more Bitcoin every day. So if you're interested in checking out BitConnect, go ahead and check the link in the description. Join my team. I'll be here to answer any questions you have. You'll have access to my phone number. So join BitConnect and start profiting today. Anyways, that's going to do it, guys, for this one. Bitcoin at all-time highs, over 6,000, but we could be seeing multiple week downside action just ahead of us. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like. I'd greatly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all my crypto trading, crypto investing, crypto mining, and interesting crypto news. I will see you in the next video. Check out the links below to see the sites I use to make money in crypto every day.